It's Tip Tuesday, people, and it is time to share some of the culinary wisdom that I've accumulated over the ages. We've got our rapidly boiling water. We're gonna season our water, and then while our water is rapidly boiling, we're just going to dump our broccoli right into the pot. We can give it a little stir to make it submerged. And I'm just gonna set my timer. I want this to blanch for about 3 minutes, which is gonna be tender, but not overcooked. We want it to have a little bit of flavor.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Checking our timer, my shenanigans have almost overcooked the broccoli. However, God bless the chef's spidey sense. I never want to just trust the time whenever I'm cooking. I always let my fingers do the walking and I do my mouth do the talking. Take a piece of maybe the medium-sized broccoli, give it a blow. That is absolutely perfect. It's tender, but it still has some firmness. We can bring our bowl, our strainer over to the sink. You can turn off the flame, and being really careful, because it's hot and boiling water, we're just going to pour the broccoli through the strainer. Whew! Do not get burned by steam. The condensing steam on your hand will burn you worse than boiling water. And then under ice cold water, I'm just going to put our broccoli into our bowl with our strainer on top and fill it up. That is going to cool the broccoli down. And the reason I like to do this is because by putting the strainer on top, you're going to see this cool phenomenon, which is that the broccoli will float, but the strainer is at a slightly higher level than the bowl, so the water will flow out of the bowl, but the broccoli will not. You see that? So cool. That's like such a cool tip or trick. This is just like a tip, chock full of tips.